The KM570 RGB is more of a sobered down version of the KM780, providing almost the same level of software customization for both lighting effects and macro reading. You still get dedicated volume control keys and on-the-fly macro recording. Although the keyboard has two USB connectors, it was surprising that it did not have a USB pass-through. Compared to the KM780, the RGB lights were not as bright, even in full brightness levels. Because of the plastic body, the KM570 RGB flexes compared to the other keyboards with metal frames. With a budget of around 10,000 rupees, you can surely consider the board as it ships with Cherry MX switches if you don't like TTC switches on the Gigabyte XK700. Thanks for watching and don't forget to smash that like button.